Hey, my name is Jason Feifer. I'm the editor-in-chief of this right here, Entrepreneur Magazine, and I'm giving a shout out to Appliance Doctor for your 40th birthday or anniversary or whatever the word is that you mark when you've been in business for 40 years. That is pretty awesome, and congratulations to everybody involved. You know, the thing that makes me think of is about how much change happens over any amount of time that you're in business. It is constant change. Your business is going to change. Your customers are going to change. Your marketplace is going to change. The needs of everybody is going to change. And of course, anybody who's been in business for a long time at any level understands that they have to change as well. They have to be a different leader. They have to be a different kind of manager. Whatever it is, as the change happens, you have to be there and you have to be changing along the way. I hear this all the time from entrepreneurs. You know, they say like every 6 months, it's like I'm running a completely new company and I have to be a completely new leader. And so to stick around and thrive for 40 years means that you have gone through a lot of change and you have rolled with it. You have embraced that change. And to be around for another 40, you're going to need to continue to embrace that change. And so that is the message that I have for everybody at Appliance Doctor, which is embrace that change and keep on going.